Thank you, A-Team. Alright. Alam niyo po, di lahat nakakasabi nito. And I've waited my whole life for this. Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko nang isigaw to. Kaya eto na ang moment ko. Good evening, Araneta! Sarap na lang. Pwede bang isa pa? Yung may energy, guys. Pwede po? Okay. Good evening, Araneta! Maraming salamat po. Welcome to my 10th anniversary concert. This is D10. Alam niyo po, I've performed a lot of times in this iconic and historic venue. But the first time ko po mag-solo concert dito. And what perfect timing po talaga because I'm celebrating my 10th anniversary as well in showbiz. At saka, sarili po talaga yung pakiramdam eh. Talagang andito na ako. Like the younger Darren would have never known that he would be performing in this Coliseum for his 10th year in showbiz. So, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat din po kay Tito Martin. Grabe na surprise ako. He never said anything about that. And he opened up the show for all of you guys. Maraming salamat, Tito Martin. I love you too! And this is not just my anniversary. I'm sharing with all of you. This is also a milestone. To all of you who have supported me po, syempre, since day one, especially sa mga Darenatics. Maraming salamat po. Ay, grabe. Di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Of course, to my parents who are here, who flew in from Canada, to my family, maraming salamat po. It's been a wild ride since, I decided to take that leap of faith from traveling all the way from Canada to the Philippines para lang mag-audition sa The Voice Kids. But it was all definitely worth it. And yun nga, as I said earlier, the younger Darren would have never been ano ba tawag dito? You would have never imagined talaga na this is where we would be today on June 1st, 2024. Kasi sa totoo lang po, mahihain po talaga akong bata. Buti na lang, yung magulang ko very supportive ever since they found out that I could sing. Sinasali nila ako sa mga singing contests. Ginawa kong front act kahit hindi ko alam na nilagay nila yung pangalan ko sa listahan. Darating na lang kami doon, akala ko magmumol lang. Kakanta na pala ako. So, ayun, this is where it brought me. And I'm just so glad that I got to build that confidence in myself and I never backed down. Kaya naman I'm here celebrating my 10 wonderful years in showbiz with all of you. You've seen me grow up, literal, from being, parang less than 5 feet. Ngayon, 6 feet na tayo guys, so maraming salamat. And you still believe in me and in what I can do. Kaya naman naging posible po itong D10. And of course, speaking of D10, this is co-presented by TNT. Nasa Sayo Yan with TNT, and this is brought to you by Chowking. Chowking, Siomai, Chow Fan. Kakaibang walk sarap. Maraming salamat po to my TNT and Chowking family. In cooperation, of course, with Bello Medical Group. Hello po, Doc Hayden, Doc Vicky. Thank you so much for the support. And to my Coke Zero family, maraming salamat po for your support as well. And Beauty Derm. So much. Thank you po sa support ninyo. Maraming salamat po talaga. And I want to thank also my Chowking family for welcoming